Hey there, this is Erica Schultz, and I'll be breaking down the opening sequence of the new Comixology original series, Forgotten Home. Forgotten Home is written by me with line art by Marika Cresta, colors by Matt Emmons, and lettering by Cardinal Ray. Our covers are drawn and colored by Natasha Alterici. Forgotten Home follows the story of Sheriff's Deputy Lorraine Adelet, who is investigating a rash of child abductions all around the state. The one thing that these crime scenes have in common is that there is residual magic at them. On the first page of the story, I wanted to open on a very emotional scene to show the readers that this is a serious story that deals with serious issues. Marika is so incredible at drawing emotion on this character Mariah's face, and Matt really hit the emotion with the tone of his colors. This next page introduces our heroine, Lorraine, and we see the compassion she has for Mariah, acknowledging a kidnapped child is an emotionally harrowing experience. We'll learn later that Lorraine is a mother herself, and she struggles with balancing a just the facts ma'am attitude to get the information that she needs for her investigation, and dealing with a distraught woman who truly misses her son.
We wanted the interior of the house to look in disarray because you can tell that she is consumed by the idea that her son Seth has disappeared, and any and all energy that she has isn't put toward cleaning a house or doing the dishes.
This third page sets up the story quite well. There are clues that Lorraine picks up on that begin to paint a picture for her of what this investigation is all about. It's also where Mariah's frustration with Lorraine and her methods turns inward, as she begins to blame herself for Seth's disappearance. I can't say this is common among parents whose children are victims of abduction, but it's something I've seen in many documentaries I've watched on the subject. Parents have the inalienable role to protect their children, and when something like this happens, bringing that guilt inward is a wholly human trait. As Mariah runs out of her son's room, Lorraine feels apologetic. At the same time, she has a job to do. At the page turn, we reveal who Lorraine really is. Now alone in Seth's room, Lorraine is revealed to have abilities not of this earth. She uses her magic to enhance her investigative skills and comes to an interesting conclusion. Seth, Mariah's son, the abducted boy, came into contact with magic sometime recently.
The internal monologue caption shapes are kind of interesting, and I tend to let Cardinal Ray, our letterer, do whatever it is she wants to do. She has a really good design sense. The corner of the first caption on every page has a purple flame. This symbol is very important to the story at large. It also mirrors the logo of the comic. When we do reveal that Lorraine has magic, you'll notice that there are fewer captions. It's because we wanted that moment to sort of breathe, to let the reader realize that we've now crossed over from a very terrestrial world into a world where many things are possible. It also slows down a bit because Lorraine herself is taking a moment to slow down, to really connect herself with the energy and the residual energy that was left in Seth's room from whoever it was that was interacting with him.
If you want to learn more about Forgotten Home, head over to the Comixology app on your Kindle or go to Comixology.com to subscribe to this 8-issue urban fantasy series.